Given a collection of paired sample data, the regression line, or the line of best fit, is a straight line that best, and use that in quotation marks, fits the scatter plot to the data. Best fit just means it's the line that fits the data given to you. It's not going to be a perfect fit, it's just what fits the best. The regression equation itself is given by this formula here. Y hat equals b sub naught plus b sub 1x. If you want to think of this as just y equals mx plus b, that's fine as well, but this is the technical terminology they use. This algebraically describes the regression line. The regression equation expresses the relationship between x, the independent variable, and y hat, the dependent variable. To find the regression equation, you need to find both b naught and b1, and to compute both of them, you can use these formulas here. These lovely formulas for b naught and b1. Just so great. Now, I'm not going to use those formulas. I'm going to actually use technology. Specifically, I'm going to use a TI-83 to do the work for me. But if you wanted to do it by hand, these are the two formulas you would have to use to find both of them. So we're not going to do that. We're going to do it much easier. We're going to use a calculator. So here is my set of data. And so now I'm going to bring up my calculator here. And we're going to put in the data. So we're going to go to stat, one edit, and we're going to put in our data. So 244, 260, 260, oh, not 564, 264. Again, another 264, a 278, a 318, and a 280. Always make sure that you type in everything correctly, otherwise the calculator is just going to go along with whatever you got. So there are my numbers for X in L1, and for L2 I'm going to put in my Y value, so 456, 614, 567, 943, 628, 1088, and 536. And again, always make sure that you have the numbers typed in correctly and as they are given to you. So don't rearrange the order of the numbers, don't do anything like that. As it's given to you is how you should type it in, just like so. Once you have everything typed in, we're going to go to stat, we're going to go to calc, and since this equation here is b naught plus b1x, I'm not going to use linreg ax plus b. It's the same thing, but they have it switched around, so I'm actually going to go down and do linreg a plus bx, just so it's in the same form. But it really doesn't make a difference, but since this is the form it's given to me, I'm just going to use this so it gives it to me right away. For TI-84, they're going to be asking you to put in your X1 and X2 lists, but you don't have to really do anything other than make sure that they are L1 for X list and Y2 for L list, or L2 for the Y list. As for a TI-83, you don't have to do anything. Just hit enter, it'll think about it, and there it is. It gives you A and B instead of B not B1, it's just what it gives you. So A is going to be negative 1,237.63, and B is going to be 7.07. So find the equation of the regression line. Y equals negative 1,237.63. I'm rounding to 2 decimals, round to whatever you're told to, plus 7.07x. So there is your linear regression line for this set of data. And we're going to do it again one more time just to get good at it. We're going to do it for this set of data here. So what have we got? We have a bunch of values. So that means we're going to put it in our calculator. Make life easy. So stat, one edit, and I'm going to clear my list. So just scroll up, hit clear, then scroll back down. It all clears out instead of having to delete each one by hand. And again, you type the numbers in the order that they are given to you. So 10, 8, 13, 9, 11, 14, 6, 4, 12, 7, and 5. Scroll over, do it again for y. 9.14, 8.14, 874, 877, 926, an 8.1, a 6.13, a 310, a 913, a 726, and finally the last one. These are so much fun to type in, 4.74. Again, you should always double check to make sure that it is correct, but I trust myself, so I'm just going to go on and hit Stat, Calc, and I'm going to go to linreg a plus bx, hit enter again, and I get an a and b value, some interesting values. A is 3.0009. Like I said, I usually go to 2, but because there is a number here, I'm actually going to round this up, so I'm going to go to 3 decimals for this. So y equals 3.001 plus 0.5x. And there is my linear regression equation. As simple as that. If you were using the formula, you get the same answers, but the formula is kind of annoying to use, so let's not use it if we can. Let's use the calculator, which is what I did, and that will, again, will make your life much, much easier to find it.